I got a Balenciaga City. Camera na naman. A retractable wire. Ang galing. Sabi ko, hello? Hey guys, it's me Cedric, so welcome back to my Ding 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 channel. So yeah, if you're new here, hi, I'm Cedric Salihio. So dito sa mga video na to, pinapakita ko yung mga favorite products ko. In this case, we will do our April favorites. Kumasik yung laway ko. April favorites. So, if you like to see mga favorite products ko, just keep on watching. And if di pa kayo nakafollow sa akin sa Instagram, make sure to do so. Ito siya. It's Cedric Salihio. And if di pa kayo nakasubscribe, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell para di kayo makamiss ng video ni Kuya Ced. And if you want to help a brother out para magpatuloy na yung pag-upload ko sa YouTube, don't skip ads. Again, without further ado, papakita ko na yung mga favorite ko for April. As usual, lahat na yung papakita kong products, I will put the links down in the description box. Pwede kayo mahirapan mag-checkout sa Shopee. And if you're looking for a sign, check out mo na yan. First category natin is fashion. So for fashion, my first favorite is my summer bag. I got a Balenciaga City na color yellow. Actually, this is called the Balenciaga First. Bali, parang kasama niya lang yung silhouette or family ng city bags. This one is the Balenciaga First in the color yellow. Ayan, super nice ng color na bagay siya sa outfit ko today. Super mura ko siyang nakuha dahil meron siyang issue. Parang ewan ko, anong ginawa ng previous owner? Pinlansya niya ba ito? I actually got this when we went to Korea. Nakita ko na siya before pa ako pumunta ng Korea. Tapos, sabi ko kay Liam, if hindi pa siya na-sold, kauwi ko galing Korea, bibilin ko na siya, it's a sign. Kaso, yun nga, binagsak presyo ng seller. Nung nasa na na ako, pinili ko na siya din agad. So, hindi na lang ako gagastos sa Korea. So, ayan. Hello! So ayan, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa mga comments sa last video. So shoutout kay Mark John, J Diaries, APC, Benedict, Marjolin, Ian, Leandre, Marty, Ignite, Michael, Ken Leonard, Da, Yan, and lastly kay Ian Dale. So ayan, kung gusto mo shoutout sa next video, mag-comment lang kayo down below ng paborito. So ayan, kung gusto mo shoutout, mag-comment lang kayo. And yeah, back to the video. I got this Balenciaga bag. It's so nice. It has been my summer bag. I've been loving it so much talaga. Like, guys, diba? Super nice. Ang nice pa ng color, very perfect. Tapos nilagyan ko lang siya ng anik-anik. I want something different. Yellow and red. Very normal sa akin. Yellow and blue, normal sa akin. Diba? Sabi ko, what if try natin yung yellow and green? Next favorite ko naman is this one. Ano yan? Kung said Tiger Balm. Exactly. Mukha siyang Tiger Balm, pero it's actually a pouch na anik-anik na pwede mo siyang isabit sa bag mo. Nakita ko lang to randomly sa Shopee. Nakyutan ako and sabi ko, wait, parang perfect siya. Bagay na bagay siya dito sa bag na to. So, ayan siya. Wala lang, parang extra pouch lang to have sa bag. Okay, next category naman natin is tech. So for my tech favorites, first is this one. Camera na naman. I know, guilty pleasure ko lang talaga ang mga cameras. You guys know I love photography and I love filming in general. Mukha siyang disposable na camera, tas wala siyang screen sa likod. Parang minimimic niya lang yung film camera vibe and look. Pero it's actually a digicam. So digicam siya that gives off film vibes din yung output niya, kaya I really love it. Kaya meron siyang app sa phone, tapos parang dito mo dine-develop yung mga film. So meron kang 27 shots per film, tapos after yung 27 shots, you have to unload sa app film na tinatawag. Tapos you have to wait 24 hours bago mo pa makita yung photo. So ang galing, parang ka talagang nag-film camera. Kasi 'di ba sa mga film cam, sobrang mahal magpa-develop ng film. I'm glad na nahanap ko to. I will post some sample shots. Makikita nyo na para talaga siyang film photos. This one is nice. Tapos it charges via USB-C. Promise. Sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako dito sa camera na to. I bring this almost every day na, lalong-lalo na ngayong summer. Sa pinakita ko nga kanina, sa bag ko, dito ko siya nilalagay, dito sa pouch. Etong pouch na to, ginagamit ko siya as a camera pouch. Whatever camera I'm bringing that day, sinushoot ko lang kasi perfect fit. I love it so much. Next favorite ko naman is a new charger. So, Quizid charger na naman. I know, right? So, Anker actually sent this to me. Tapos, sobrang natuwa ako sa kanya. Ito na yung dinadala ko sa office. At first glance, it just looks like a normal charger. Pero ang maganda dito, it has a retractable wire. Ang galing. Sabi ko, talino ng Anker dito. Tapos, pagtapos mo nang gamitin, nare-retract siya, so you don't need extra wires. Tapos yan nga, pag dadalhin mo siya sa bag, it's very compact. Pero kung gusto mo din mag-charge via wire, meron pa din siyang USB-C port, 35 watts. Ginagamit ko siya for my iPad, for my phone, kasi USB-C na lahat ng devices ko, so perfect. One of the best products na nirelease nila. Sabi nga ni Mama, gusto niya din daw, so I'll probably buy her one in color white naman. Next naman for tech is this one, Far Cry 6 sa Xbox One. Grabe, I haven't played a good game in a while and this one is so good. Sa mga gamers terms, you probably know of the Far Cry franchise. I started playing Far Cry in Far Cry 3 back then, parang 2013, 2014, 2015, mga ganon. A long time. Tapos I played the Far Cry 4 on PC and Far Cry 5 on PC as well. Tapos sabi ko, na-miss kong maglaro sa console, like yung may controller talaga. So I bought this game from a random seller and grabe, it did not disappoint. Ang haba kasi ng mga Far Cry games kasi it's semi-open world. One of the best Far Cry games ever. Wala lang, I miss being a gamer kasi parang nawili na ako sa mga books and sa pagja-journal. Sabi ko, grabe, I have to go back to my roots. If you have an outlet to play this, play it. I highly recommend it. Next category naman natin is skincare and makeup. So for skincare and makeup, I only have one. Ito siya. This is the Issey Creme Flush Stick. Nagpakita na ako ng ganito dati, pero this is the new one. Parang limited edition nata nila to in the shade Cowgirl. Grabe, ang ganda ng shade na to. I wish hindi siya limited edition, pero sabi kasi limited edition siya eh. Ayan siya. First, parang lilitaw ba yun sa balat mo? And it just gives off that natural flush nga. Parang it doesn't work well kapag direkta mo siyang ilalagay tas blend with fingers. I highly recommend you guys use a brush. With this, a blush brush. Kasi dyan siya mag-show up ng ganyan, no? Parang it's a very different shade from the normal blush shades that I normally wear. I'm happy na tinry ko to. Nabudol ako sa TikTok kasi sabi nila it works for all skin types. And I have to agree. Ako, very pale ko na, pero nag-show up pa din siya na very natural blush lang. Get yours now kasi sabi nila limited ed daw to. Next category naman natin is food. So for food, eto nabudol ako sa TikTok. Parang nakita ko yung ads nila. This is from CC Land. Cookies and cream with cheese flavor. Grabe, sobrang sarap na to. Gone are the days ng Dubai chocolate. Para siyang Oreo balls. Ayan siya. Oreo pastillas balls. Tapos may cheese siya sa loob to balance the sweetness. Meron din ako new discovery ngayon. I discovered hojicha. Grabe! I've been converted. Basically, tastes like chocolate. Minus the chocolate taste. Parang more on the nutty side ng chocolate. Pero kalasang-kalasa niya yung chocolate. Sabi ko, lo, new drink. If I don't want caffeine, kasi wala daw caffeine ng hojicha. Next category naman is movies and series. So for movies and series, ang favorite ko is Euphoria Season 3. I've never been a Euphoria fan, really. Pero lately, parang naging Euphoria fan ako kasi ang dami ko nakikitang clips sa TikTok. So I decided to watch it hanggang Season 3 and ngayon continuous pa siya, every week yung episodes, and nagustuhan ko naman siya. Next naman is book reco. So for my book reco of the month, it's Just Friends by Hailey Pham. If batang YouTube kayo, you guys would probably know Hailey. Vlogger siya actually dito, and yung boyfriend niya si Ryan, diba? Si Ryan Trehan. Nagsulat siya ng book and it's basically their love story. Sila to, and grabe, sobrang love ko to. Heartwarming siya. At first medyo cringe kasi Hailey Pham was parang meron siyang pinapatunayan at first. Pero nung tumagal-tagal na yung book, it's actually a lovely book. Next naman is my Spotify favorites. So for my Spotify favorites, my favorite is Melanie Martinez's new album, Hades. Grabe! Na-miss ko si Melanie. Ang favorite ko from the album is Disney Princess. Maganda siya. Garbage. Maganda din. Monopoly Man. And Last Two People on Earth. Grabe! Ang gaganda ng mga kantang yun. Old Melanie is back. What I mean about Old Melanie is yung super high niya na head notes. Grabe, ang satisfying sa ears. I love listening to it. So yun lang lahat na favorite ko for the month of April. Yun nga kami nagustuhan kayo. I'll put the links down in the description box para di kayo mahirapan mag-check out. So shopping, if you're looking for a sign, i-check out mo na yan. So yan, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and always remember that it is okay to be a weirdo. Bye!